In this video, I'll be reviewing Lovable, an AI-powered platform that helps you create full-stack websites just by describing what you want. The big promise here is simplicity. You tell the AI what kind of site you need, and Lovable builds it for you, including design, structure, and even backend. Let's start with the features. Lovable comes with a visual editor, integrations, and even prompt engineering tips to help you guide the AI better. You can create both public and private projects, add unlimited collaborators, and extend your site with integrations. There are also templates and use cases available to get started faster, plus a helpful community and documentation hub. One thing that stands out is accessibility. Beginners can use natural language to generate their first project without touching code, but developers can still refine and customize things afterward. Lovable also offers design templates, role-based permissions, and support for custom domains on paid plans, so it scales as your needs grow. Now let's talk about pricing. The free plan gives you up to 5 daily credits, public projects, and unlimited collaborators. The Pro plan is $25 per month. It adds 100 monthly credits, private projects, user roles, custom domains, and the ability to remove the Lovable badge. The business plan is $50 per month and includes everything in Pro plus SSO personal projects, data training opt-out, and design templates. Finally, the Enterprise plan has flexible billing with dedicated support, onboarding services, group-based access control, and custom design systems. So, how does it perform? For strengths, Lovable is easy to use, quick for building simple websites, and great for teams that want collaboration without heavy coding. It also has active support through tutorials, templates, and community channels. For weaknesses like most AI site builders, it may struggle with very complex or highly customized requirements. The free plan is a good way to test it out, but credits can run out quickly if you're experimenting a lot. Final verdict: Lovable is a solid option if you're looking to spin up a professional-looking website quickly without diving into code. It's best for beginners, small teams, or startups that need speed and ease of use. But if you're building a large-scale, highly customized project, you may need to combine Lovable with other tools or move to custom development. So, if you're curious about AI-powered web creation, Lovable is definitely worth trying, especially since it has a free forever plan.